Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The time to get in and profit is right now, but the problem is, how do you begin? How do you create the technology for users to sign up, register and take online courses? How do you create the course content? How do you find out what courses are hot and what will sell? How do you create videos, training and lessons? How do you upload them and make them sell? How do you create sales pitches, sales videos and marketing material? What if all that was done for you? Let's check the Bliss review for more details. Before we start Bliss review, you can get a good discounted price with the description section, and guys, ensure you subscribe to the channel. What is Bliss e-learning platform? Want to create a profit pooling online business? Now you can, thanks to this 100% done for you solution that banks you commissions in 3 easy steps. 1. Select a hot course to sell as your own. 2. Enter your payment details. Lastly, 3. Profit from day 1 in less than 60 seconds. Forecasts put the online education market at a huge 350 billion valuation, and Udemy alone has over 55 million users. And Bliss e-learning platform is a brand new software that will let you buyers get a slice of that huge pie without any of the hard work. Tap into a proven billion-dollar market today and crush it. Introducing Bliss e-learning platform, your struggle to earn commissions ends here. It is a fully done for you site builder that creates Udemy-like e-learning sites so you can sell online courses and profit. This is a fully web-based, cloud-hosted software that allows you to create and sell any number of courses to any number of students or customers and keep 100% of the profit from those sales. You will get high quality courses, great original content, Google ranking, traffic, and getting 100% commissions from selling courses, all taken care of in one click. A whole e-learning site packed with high quality courses created and fully hosted. Incredibly, multi-part Udemy-like video courses on in-demand subjects to help your visitors gain the skills they need in a changing world. Courses your visitors will be only happy to pay for. Totally original content ranking your site on Google for 24/7, free search traffic, and completely done for you 100% commission monetization with cost delivery, customer support, payment processing, all taken care of for you. It comes fully loaded with content, training videos, courses all done for you so you can launch and sell courses in seconds. Now you can get a fully automated software that banks you commissions in just 60 seconds. All the courses, all the technology, the website, the content, the marketing, and all the videos, everything is done by the experts, the creators of Bliss e-learning platform. They'll do everything for you and automate it so you don't have to worry about anything. Pros: 1 click to create your site, 1 click to select your courses, 1 click to add your payment info, and lastly 1 click to get traffic. Start selling in less than 60 seconds and keep 100% profit of all the sales. Newbie friendly, fully tested, no tech skills needed, no manual work. Every affiliate marketer needs this. No website or hosting needed. Fully cloud-based software. Cons: you need to have some knowledge on affiliate marketing, making money online. If you have not, don't worry. You can find all you need in the training included. Bliss e-learning platform is for you, no matter what business or niche you are in. If you need passive income, this is the software for you. They made it so simple and powerful so that anyone, even if you're new to this whole internet software or this making money online experience, you can use this software and get results. Thanks for watching.